A COVID outbreak at the state prison. That's our top story tonight on the ABC4 News at 10 o'clock. A good evening to you. I'm Emily Flores. Today, prison officials defended their response to the COVID-19 outbreak. 2 days ago, family members protested outside prison administration offices, voicing their concern. Tonight, they're sharing their stories. ABC4's Nicole Newman live outside of the prison this evening. Nicole.
Well, Emily, tonight I spoke to Carrie Knowlton. Her husband is an inmate here at the prison, and he has tested positive for COVID-19. And tonight, she's concerned that he and other inmates aren't getting the care that they need. The past few weeks have been a lot for Carrie Knowlton to bear. It was back on October 6th when her husband called her from the Utah State Prison to tell her this.
He called me on October 6th. It was a Monday. I was working. He called me real fast and said, "Babe, I need you to know they just told me I'm positive for COVID."
Knowlton's husband is one of 264 inmates with COVID-19 in the prison's A and B blocks. That's out of the 327 inmates housed there.
When they all went to lockdown, all of our loved ones, they went to lockdown over there, and they were tested positive for COVID. They didn't see anyone for days. He said it was about 3 days before they actually saw a medical person come by.
The source is believed to be an outside healthcare provider who treated several inmates. Knowlton says her husband tested positive on October 3rd and should be out of isolation on Saturday. According to the Department of Corrections website, to date, the prison has 288 confirmed cases. Today, 2 days after a protest outside of its headquarters, officials publicly addressed families' concerns. From her phone, Knowlton plays an audio clip from the Department of Corrections press conference.
It hasn't been easy, especially under the scrutiny of those on the outside operating off misinformation, misperception, rumor, or manipulation.
To this, Knowlton says
The comments he said was offensive, saying that we've been manipulated, misinformed.
for the past 7 months, the department says it's enacted safety protocols, including canceling visitation and volunteer services, as well as monitoring staff and inmates.
I could go on and on, identifying the proactive steps we have taken in the face of COVID-19. But the point is, the Utah Department of Corrections did not sit back and wait for problems to develop and then work on solutions.
Now, before September 23rd, officials say there hadn't been a confirmed case in general population. Past cases were from new prison intakes. Live in Draper, Nicole Newman, ABC4 News.